Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel once again. This is your friend Abhishek, but not a financial advisor. And you must be thinking what I'm doing outside recording a video, um, different location. Well, guys, I'm on my vacation in India, and also please don't get distracted if you hear a lot of horns. Yeah, don't think that there is some accident or something, especially for those who are from Europe watching my video, not Indians. So yeah, you might hear a lot of horns and people like shouting or something. This is normal for us Indians, so don't get distracted and don't think that anything worse is happening. So anyways, and yeah, apart from that, you might have noticed that I've not posted a video since more than 8 days because I just wanted to relax my vacation, completely stress free, not focus on anything else, of course, apart from my portfolio, because I have my Patreons to take care of. And of course, considering the current market situation, I'm one of the persons who like to check his portfolio in this market situation for sure. So that's why I thought that okay, let's make a short video on the current updates, what's happening with the market and what I will be doing. So I thought that yeah, let's pick up the camera and record this. So that's why I am making this video. I will try to keep this as short as possible because like I said, I just want to relax. So first of all, first update, if you must have noticed that yesterday we saw, of course the market is fully volatile, right? But yesterday it was moving in an upward direction, and this is because of two things which I wanted to clarify. I'm sweating, so please pardon me for that. Yeah, so the first thing is that first of all, US put a ban on Russian oil. Yes, and that is a good sign for the stock market, but that also means that maybe oil will keep on increasing and it might even cross 180 $190 per barrel. So I sold all of my oil position. I bought it because of the war situation, so I knew that commodities will rise, and in that case oil was supposed to rise for sure, especially when Germany also put a pause on oil from Russia. And that's why I thought that okay, it's enough. I will book my 30-40% profit, and I sold all of my position in oil. But now I am thinking to enter again, and rest all of my other commodities I have sold. So like I said, I will let you guys know what I'm doing. So this is what I did. I sold gold, not silver, half of my position in silver, cocoa, and yeah, and oil. But I will re-enter oil because I now, after this news which came yesterday from US, I think that oil will keep on moving in an upward direction. And apart from that, the second point which is positive for the stock market was that Ukraine recently decided that they are not any longer insisting on becoming a NATO member, and this was one of the conditions from Russia which Russia was worried about. So I think, I don't know there are many other conditions of course from Russia as well, yeah, but this is one of the conditions. And now I think that, or it's just my personal opinion, and I hope this happens, that the war might stop sooner than expected. So if things get settled down, then I hope, and all my prayers to all those people who are stuck first of all, and yeah, I hope that the war stops. But anyways, since this is an investment channel, let's focus on the investment point of view. So this is what is affecting the stock market, and the stock market moved yesterday in an upward direction. See, the money is now moving towards commodities. Yeah, eventually that money has to go back into the stock market because people will move back to the stock market, especially when the interest rates will rise, the war will settle down, the money will rotate and shift back to the stock market. Okay, and especially to those stocks which have been beaten down heavily. Yeah, so I do think that this will happen, and that's why I'm more focusing on not the hyped up stocks or hyped up commodities. Like I said, I sold my position, and now I'm focusing on those which are on a big sell-off. So I will let you guys know in another video if I get time that which stocks I'm focusing on now, but mostly they are a mix of growth and value stocks. So yeah, apart from that guys, this is what I wanted to give you guys an update for, and I wanted to keep this video as short as possible because now it's 35 degrees here. It's too hot, and yeah, I'm sweating like hell now, and the camera will heat up as well. So these were the two updates, major updates, which I wanted to give you guys. Yeah guys, and before we stop the video, I just wanted to point out one more thing. I am putting a bit of more money into S&P 500 now, because S&P 500 now has reached to a support level of 4100 points, and a few months ago it came back to this level, and then from there it spiked up. So I would be putting some more money into my S&P 500 ETF at these levels, because sooner or later the stock market will rise. Yeah, and this is what I'm thinking, and this is what I would be doing. Again, like I said, I will make a separate video if I get time to let you guys know which stocks I'm focusing on, but I just wanted to keep this video as short as possible. So that's it guys, I will see you in the next one. Again, this is not any kind of financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Until, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy. If you're in India, enjoy the weather, and if you're not, then wait for one. Okay, bye guys, cheers.